Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is again your mommy Spike. For today's video guys, I will teach you how to curl your hair without using any curling tools. So this is very natural, very organic. It will not destroy your hair. So if you wanna curl your hair and if you don't have any curling tool, then you must watch this video. So first off, I'm using a cloth guys, or pantali or whatever. Basta ganyan na cloth. That's actually a belt in one of my clothes. So I just took it and use it for this demonstration with you. So I just divided my hair into two and nilagay ko yung tela on top of my head. Tied the other side because I'm going to work on that later and start with my right side. So, depende na sa inyo guys how you or where you would want to start. So, I'm using with my right side and just getting a bundle of hair there just like on the video, and then just did a 360 to the cloth, and then I did get another hair bundle. Inulit ko lang yung step 1, and then this time kinumbine ko siya sa first bundle of hair. Sabay silang umikot, and then ulitin lang on the third bundle hanggang matapos kayo with the right side of your hair, and then just turn it all over the cloth. So ganyan lang guys, madali lang. So, ikot-ikot lang guys until everything's finished. Just like how your boyfriend did paikot-ikot on you. And tayo naman girl, tanga. So, sige lang, ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot, ikot-ikot. Yan. Tapos, ilock mo lang yung dulo. And you can't leave it like that guys. So, you have to, loop it in just like yung pina-chonli na hairstyle, ganon. Kasi, if you just leave it like that, it will straighten. So you have to make sure that it's secure and it stays in its place. So I'm doing my other side now, and this part is kinda slow-mo guys. Ni-reduce ko lang yung speed so you can see and follow the steps that I did there. So same what I did on the right side. Just get a bundle of hair, do a 360 turn to the cloth, get another bundle, combine it with the first bundle, did a 360 together, and then do it for the rest of your hair. Madali lang talaga siya guys. This is very simple, very basic steps. I-loop nyo lang yung batch of hairs nyo, and the wave will be depending on the batch of hairs that you're getting. So if you want bigger beach waves, then you get a big batch of hairs. But if you want a tinier waves, then you get a smaller batch of hairs. So yun lang talaga. This is very simple. So if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Wag nang mahiya. Comment lang sa baba. Okay? And hopefully you guys are able to follow. Very, very simple steps lang talaga guys. Diba? Parang formang yung shakoy bread. Oh, diba? Ganun. Yan. Tapos same, ilalock natin siya and make sure it's secure. So, gawin nyo lang siyang bun kasi yung mga loop na yan na nakikita nyo, it will go back to its place. Ayan guys, so finally it is done, and you can leave it like this guys for a couple of hours, or you can apply a spray net if you want for this to take effect right away. So since naka-quarantine naman tayo guys, we're staying at home, so I just did this video for you guys. So I slept it overnight. Yan, woke up like this, ganun, diba? So, kukunin ko na siya guys and show you the result. So, this is really safe. You're not going to add any chemicals sa hair mo, and it is really, really effective. This is the second time that I did this. So, the first time, it lasted for at least a couple of hours, 3 to 4 hours before siya nawala yung kulot. But if you wanted it to stay a little bit longer, pwede mo siyang applyan ng gel o kaya hairspray para magstay siya in place. So that's how it looks, guys. O, diba? Liza Soberano hair lang. So make it with you. Ganun. O, diba? Tapos style nyo lang siya, guys. My hair is still so smooth since we're not using any chemicals here or any tools or flat iron or curling iron. So very natural and maganda siya, guys. So my hair is big waves siya, but if you wanted smaller, pwede nyo siyang, depende sa bundle na gagawin nyo. So if you just turn a little bit of hair bundles, so if you wanted smaller strands, but kung gusto ka big waves, then obviously malaki din na hair bundle yung kukunin mo and roll it sa piece of cloth that you are going to be using. So yan na nga, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, please. Consider subscribing to my video for more videos like this. I do hair tutorials, makeup, and other stuff. So I hope you guys share this to your friends, and see you in the next video. Bye!